Okay, today we're going to talk about wood conditioner. So these 20-year-old wood cabinets, it might be hard to tell on video, but they're getting kind of faded and dried out looking. You can see how it's discolored here along the top. That's not dust. The wood's discolored and dry. And so a simple solution I found is to use a wood conditioner cleaner product called Old English Wood Conditioner and Cleaner. You can buy this right around $5 at Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, online. You want to shake it up well first. They also make one of these products for darker colored furniture and wood paneling and wood cabinetry. I prefer to use a paper towel or a napkin, that way you can throw it away when you're done. You just apply a little bit to the paper towel like so. You want to be careful not to get it on your clothes or fabric or carpet because it is a mineral oil. And you simply rub it on the wood. I try to go with the grain, rub it in. So it gives it a nice clean shine, moisturizes the wood with the oil, has a nice pleasant lemon smell. You can see the discoloration in the wood there. You can see it just takes care of that real nicely. Doesn't take very long. So again, this works great for cabinets like this, where you can see along here it's discolored and dry. Especially if you live in a climate that has low humidity, that'll take the moisture out of the wood furniture and wood cabinetry. So here it is all done. This took a few minutes. Don't know how well you can see that on camera, but looks good as new now. I have to do this every few months. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.